you have a Ford Taurus like this and you're trying to replace either the window motor or the regulator, I'm gonna explain you in a simple steps how to do it. This is gonna be pretty much the same thing for one of each of these doors, so pretty much they look alike. So might be a couple different less or more bolts, but it's gonna be the same. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove the door panel, which is gonna come first on this trim right here. You're gonna pull from here, and this has clips on the back, so you're gonna put it to the side. You're gonna find here a screw, then you're gonna come to this side and you have an 8mm. After you've done that, you gotta remove the inside decoration plate for the handle, and you're gonna find a 10mm over there. After that, you're just gonna pull the window switch. It has a clip on the back and a hook on the front, so you're gonna lift first this side, lift it, pull, disconnect, and you're gonna find another 10mm down there. After that, you're gonna come down here and you're gonna find two 7mm, one here and one there. On the back doors there's only one, but on the front one there's two. After that, you're done with the screw. You're just gonna pull. This has like 5 clips in total, 6 clips, I can't remember right now from the top of my hand, but just gonna pull that out without hesitation. It's not gonna break. After that, you're gonna have to remove the cable from the handle and the connector for the electronic lock. After that, your door is gonna look like this one. Once you're here, your motor, it's back here. So you have 2 ways of doing this. It's either you remove the motor by itself or you remove the whole window regulator, because to remove the motor out of the regulator, it's a little bit tricky. It all comes of how I think you should try the easy part first, and then the secure part. The secure part is removing everything, but the easy one is just removing the motor. I'll show you right now. Here's the motor, and it's held by 3 taurus screws. It is a T30 screw, and this is pretty much gonna be looking like this. So the screws are gonna be facing the outside of the door, and it's a little bit tricky, I'm saying, because you cannot see. You just have to feel. The only thing you will be able to see is through here. You see that hole over there, that one, that is part of where the motor hooks, and there's another one all the way back there, right there. You pretty much cannot see of what you're doing, but if you manage, you can be able to remove it without removing the window regulator. Now, for the other people looking at this video for how to remove the window regulator, don't hassle removing the motor first. Just remove the whole thing by itself. And to do that, you're gonna secure the window with some tape so it don't fall down. You're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws. Well, these are nuts, and this is 1 screw right here. You're gonna remove all those 4. You're gonna have to push out the bolt. You're gonna have to make some force. Don't worry, you're not gonna break anything. It's just the way it is. You're just gonna push hard, both sides, and here too. Push until it's out of the hole. And to remove it from the window, it's not held by any bolts. It's just a hook that you're gonna have to get a screwdriver, put it in the middle, and pry. Ours is gonna pull out. on both sides. So doing that, just pull down and manage the way out. And it sounds complicated, but once you follow this instruction, it's pretty much straightforward. I just did it, and it took me a little bit, but pretty much because I was not sure of what I was doing, and it took me a little bit. But following this direction, it's pretty much straightforward. There's nothing else to be done. So I hope this helped to anybody that is doing this job. It will cover the replacement of the motor, or just the window regulator by itself, whatever it is. Hope it helped. See you in the next one.